Hey guys, it's Lex. What's up? I feel like it's been forever since I've seen or talked to you guys, so I'm really looking forward to doing this vlog for you. I went for a really natural, easy look, something really quick to create using our Maneater Volume 2 palette. So if you want to learn how to achieve this look and something that you can just throw together really quickly, keep watching. I'm going for like a really simple, natural look today. That all natty type of vibe. And I also took a poll on Instagram asking you guys what you like to see as far as like natural or bold looks, and you guys voted natural. So today I'm gonna keep it very soft, very subtle, and very quick. And I'm gonna start by going in with the shade Purr right here. As you guys can see, I use Foxy a lot, so that one's a little broken. But I'm going in with Purr, and I'm just gonna buff that all over my lid and up into my crease. Cool. And now I'm just gonna really like brighten up the look by placing lace on the inner corner right here. Plus this makes a really pretty highlight too. I'm gonna show you guys in one sec. I'm also gonna take a little bit of lace and place it on my brow bone just because I want that highlight. And I'm just gonna go in, place a little bit on my nose. I have highlighter on already, but I just wanna like accentuate it a little more. And now I'm gonna be tapping into the shade Foxy, which as you guys can see, I use that shade a lot, hence why it's a little cracked. And I'm just placing this all over the center of my lid, just because I really wanna accentuate like the center part, and I really want it to pop. And then I'm gonna go back in with my blending brush and just buff that out really nicely. Just something really subtle and soft. And last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the shade Midnight right here. So I'm just gonna place a little bit right here. I'm gonna buff it out. Just nice and subtle and soft. Go in with a little bit more Foxy and place it on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to coat my lashes with a little bit of Maneater mascara. Difference. Gosh, I love this mascara. Gives me life. Sometimes I find that looking down into the mirror kind of helps and keeps me from getting it all over my eye look that I just created. And then to top off my look today, I'm going in with our lip paint in the shade Birthday Suit. And I'm just gonna apply like a little bit on the back of my hand like this, and I'm just gonna kind of tap it on my lips. I'm going for more of like a natural vibe, so I want something that's gonna look a little bit more subtle. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of our maracuja oil and top it on top of it, just because I want like a lip balmy look without having lip balm on. And this is how I do it. Because my lips are really dry. I've been traveling a lot. If you guys haven't been keeping up with my Instagram stories, I've been traveling a lot, and this stuff is like my knight in shining armor. All right, so here's the final look using our Maneater Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. I loved creating this natural quick look for you guys. I feel like I've been keeping it a little bold lately, so this is nice mixing it up a little bit by doing something a little bit more on the natural side. Plus I wanted to do something that was gonna be like a little quicker and really easy because I'm actually in a rush currently. And per usual, you already know what it is. With me, I'm always running late, and this is my BFF. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and make sure to comment down below and let me know what vlogs you guys wanna see next. I gotta do some this week, so let me know what you guys wanna see, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye, tartlets.